Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super cute Polaroid style photo with Nailong character using Gemini Nano Banana. It's really easy and only takes a few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app like this. And then just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image to activate the banana tools, or you can access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the latest feature from Google that lets you edit photo instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo and the photo of Nailong character. Like this. And next, here's the fun part. Let's write a prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt and then just change the details however you like maybe like adjust the poses, adjust lighting, or make it more personal. Just feel free to tweak your prompt. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste the prompt, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this the results, it looks amazing and cute. I love how natural and fun the result is, and even it really feels like a real photo booth Polaroid with the cute character. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make a cute Polaroid photo with Nailong character using Gemini Nano Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.